Welcome to 119 Masters Common in Mahogany, where luxury meets a lifestyle in Calgary's premier lake community. This estate-style home features high-end craftsmanship, designer finishes, and an open concept layout filled with natural light. The kitchen shines with marble and granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and premium appliances. While the great room and dining area offer stunning views of your private outdoor oasis. Outside, you'll enjoy verdant gardens and an extended patio. Located in an exclusive enclave, this home blends luxury, privacy, convenience with quick access to Mahogany Lake, beaches, and pathways. But don't take my word for it. Come see for yourself what this home has to offer.
It's just a matter of time.